I understand that Rheem makes several different tankless models, so how do you decide which is the right one for an application?
It's a good question, Andy. It's really about anticipated flow rate, making the determination as to how you're going to be using your hot water. If you'll be using a shower or a dishwasher and a washing machine at one point or the same time, for instance.
Sure. Can you give a specific example of what that means in a house?
Sure. When you're sizing any tankless water heater or any water heater for that matter, you always want to size it for your peak demand application. That's usually during the morning hours when many folks are showering. Tankless water heaters, by virtue of their technology, raise the incoming water temperature, the groundwater, up to the set point of the thermostat. As a result, and because they maintain no storage, we always try and calculate that in a gallons per minute figure.
Okay, that sounds a little bit complicated.
Actually, it's pretty simple. You can just add up the flow rates of all the fixtures that may be in use at any one time, and that'll help you determine your hot water demand. Then refer to the manufacturer's specifications to make sure you select the right water heater for you.
Okay. What about climate? Does that affect how the unit operates or which model you should select?
It's a good question because, as I mentioned, the water heater raises the groundwater temperature to the set point of the thermostat. What that means is in those colder months or when your groundwater is colder, the water heater will perform differently.
So if you live in a colder climate, you may want to consider a larger unit, perhaps?
That's true. That's very true. In fact, that's part of the reason that Rheem has put together some sizing information that we include with our water heaters and also on our website at rheemtankless.com.
Okay. And so I understand that to keep a constant temperature, the flow rate may decrease, and you need to consider that if you live in a colder climate. Be sure to scale to meet your needs.
That's right. And the next step is to consult your local building codes to make sure that you select the right water heater for you as well.